Well, it's October 27, 23. Just got done doing them old deliveries there. Wishing blessings on all your families. All provisions provided by the good Lord. Hope you have a blessed week. Getting ready to do this Car Wash Saga Continue series. Seems some people like it, and it gives them something just simply to watch, I reckon.
Good morning, beautiful.
Hey,
did you tell today?
You got a gorgeous smile. I wish everybody was as nice as you.
You just made my day. You have no idea. Thank you.
Bye, sweetie. And we're going to make our way through as we wait our turn. Hope you guys have had an interesting week. It's been an interesting week with the work that I do. Last night was physically exhausting, but in the strength of Jesus, I was able to get through the week and be an overcomer. Overslept a little bit this morning, to be honest. So how are y'all doing? Got any plans made for you and your family coming up? Supposed to be having a cold spell coming in here in a little bit. Are you prepped for winter? Safety first. I hate it when I get other vehicles in the videos. I try my best not to. Well, there's a lot going on in the world and in our nation. Some folks are speculating World War III, but if you know Bible prophecy, you gotta watch for Damascus, but you just keep your eye on Israel. As it goes with Israel, so it goes with the world. What the young man's directing me to do here. Neutral. Wait my time. Anyway, our nation's in a pickle and a half. So just grab your family. Just let a reminder again, if you've aren't stocked up on stuff that you know your family needs, stock up on some water, some of those canned goods, non-perishable items, your meds for your family, your pets and pets. Stay alert. Prepare to defend yourself if you have to. If you haven't already, take defense classes. Because I tell you, the military's not coming to save your person, those you love. So you got to be responsible. Know your rights. Stay within the law, of course, as always. Don't advocate violence in any form, but you have the right to defend yourself if you have to. It's your God-given right. But pray for the peace of this nation as well as Israel and just globally all together. seriously need to step back, take a look at how things are done. Because if we can't take care of things in our own backyard, we got no business sticking our nose in another country's business. You got to take care of your own farm first. Take care of your own situations, your citizens, their needs. Help them to prosper. So you can't take care of your own farm and bring your crops in when they need to be brought in. You're not going to eat, are you? New innovations, new ideas, entrepreneurs, people with ideas that can help this country, bring new inventions, free thinking. That's how we get our new inventions, etc. Encourage our youth of today. Be a mentor for them, an example of how things should be. Encourage them to go forward, be productive, come up with their own ideas for their businesses. Start with them when they're young. We're going through the wind tunnel now. And again, you gotta remember, today's youth is tomorrow's future. And we have to be their example. And we dropped the ball somewhere. And we have to rectify that. Too sweet. Y'all have a blessed week.